Hey guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen. Today we are making an easy, flavorful and budget-friendly stir-fried cabbage recipe that's going to rock your taste buds. We are taking soft veggies, savory sauces, a little spice and a whole lot of flavor. Trust me, this one's a keeper. Let's dive in. Winnfrey's kitchen! The ingredients we need are 2 eggs, gochugaru for that spicy kick, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 cloves of garlic, but you can add more if you like, 1 medium-sized cabbage, 2 medium-sized carrots, 1 medium-sized onion. First things first, prep your veggies. Chop up your cabbage, slice those carrots thinly. Julienne cut your onions. Don't forget to finely chop your garlic. This helps everything cook faster and more evenly. Crack your eggs into a bowl, add salt and pepper to taste, and give them a good beat. Now, heat up your sufuria, then add your oil. And go ahead and scramble those eggs. Once they are cooked, take them out and set them aside. We'll bring them back later. In the same pan, toss in your onions and saute until translucent. That means soft and slightly golden. Next, add your garlic and let it cook for just a few seconds. Don't burn it. You want it fragrant, not crispy. Time to add in the carrots. Stir fry those for a minute or two before adding in your chopped cabbage. Give everything a good toss and let it cook down for a few minutes. Don't overcook it. We still want a bit of a crunch. Add in your cabbage bit by bit as you mix in everything together. Don't overcook this as well. Cover it for a few seconds to allow it to cook, then mix again. Now for the flavor bombs, add in your oyster sauce, a sprinkle of gochugaru, soy sauce, and just a pinch of salt. Stir everything well so that those sauces coat every veggie beautifully. Finally, bring back your scrambled eggs, toss them in and mix until everything is well combined. And just like that, your stir-fried cabbage is ready to serve. I served mine with soft brown ugali and creamy avocado, and let me tell you, it slapped. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more quick flavorful meals. And if you love cabbage like I do, check out my other delicious cabbage recipe linked right here or in the description. Trust me, you'll want to try that one too. See you in the next video.